Escape to a 23-plus acres gentleman's ranch in the heart of Summerfield, North Carolina, where luxury living, resort-style amenities, and country charm come together to create one of the area's most unique private estates. From the moment you arrive, it's clear this property was designed for those who want more than just a home. They want an experience. The beautifully landscaped grounds unfold across rolling acreage filled with scenic views, mature trees, private walking trails, and a peaceful pond that adds to the property's tranquil setting. Whether you're relaxing by the water, exploring the trails, raising horses, or simply enjoying the privacy of your own countryside retreat, the land offers endless opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. At the center of the estate sits a meticulously renovated main residence, offering over 5,600 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. The reimagined floor plan seamlessly connects the chef's kitchen, keeping room, and grand living area, creating an ideal setting for everyday living and large-scale entertaining. Stunning custom stone fireplaces anchor the main gathering spaces, adding warmth, character, and timeless appeal throughout the home. Step outside and you'll discover a true resort-inspired environment. The custom pool and spa feature in-water lounging areas perfect for relaxing on warm Carolina afternoons, while the expansive entertaining deck and outdoor stone kitchen create an incredible space for hosting family and friends. Every detail has been carefully designed to maximize enjoyment of the surrounding landscape. One of the most distinctive features of the property is the historic tobacco pack house, creatively transformed into a speakeasy-inspired lounge. This unforgettable space adds a level of character and entertainment rarely found in residential properties and creates a conversation piece unlike anything else on the market. The estate also includes a fully renovated guest retreat featuring a gourmet kitchen,